What up guys? Complete beginners earning $100 to $300 per day simply by just copying and pasting YouTube videos.
So I'm about to show you how to make motivational and inspirational videos, millions of views, and are making $300 to $500 or more a day.
I'll show you how you can literally copy and paste motivational videos on YouTube and earn $500 per day.
I'm gonna show you today the exact steps on how to copy and paste motivational YouTube videos so that you can make $500 per day and get monetized right away. How can I go ahead and do this? By just simply copying and pasting videos.
Tab, get the Les Brown one, as well as stock footage that can get uploaded. They have a brand new channel. So the banner is like a legitimate channel. Go to public and then publish. And that's how you create a video, start making money super fast.
Wow, so easy, right? I won't show you that I actually did this method and that it works. I just want to feed you guys so that I can make money off of you all, new creators, who think by following my advice, because I have 300,000 subscribers, you'll be successful like me.
This channel right here is making from these type of videos. I use Social Blade to go and look.
People are doing this and making much more because right here is their Social Blade earnings.
This guru here even shows you a real channel on Social Blade who is making buku bucks doing this same method. Did you ever think that this channel is grandfathered in and allowed to continue this practice? Because maybe they've been well established for years now, ever since 2017? Before this gold rush of making money online came about? No, this thought hasn't crossed anyone's brain because it's not being shared by these gurus. They want to continue making these videos.
So I'm about to show you how to make motivational, and anyone can do this from anywhere in the world. You will not need a camera. You will not have to show your face. You will not have to use your voice and start making money
By just copying and pasting YouTube videos.
Copy and paste motivational videos on YouTube and earn $500 per day.
So they can line their pockets by showing you just how easy it is to make money online, especially in the motivational niche. I even left a comment on this channel trying to inform the public viewers that they will not make it this way. As I already stated, YouTube is cracking down on these new channels, any new channels who are trying to do this, and it will not work anymore. Success in the motivational niche is hard, and you must come with completely original content. You need to capture your own footage of someone or yourself sprinting across the track outside, in the gym lifting heavy weight, sweating profusely. And then on top of that, you need an original speech that you make or someone else write. Then you need to find a captivating voiceover actor, if you can't deliver the voiceover, who can deliver that speech in a very motivational sounding way to get those viewers hyped and riled up. Only then will you be monetized. This is not an easy game. This is not an easy niche to get into because of this. I basically identified this trend based on many other creators in this same niche who are having trouble getting views and impressions, and on top of that, are even unable to get monetized because of what YouTube deems as reused content. Because people continue to follow these gurus who claim you can make 500 or even thousands of dollars per day reusing these footages and speeches of motivation that thousands of other channels are using at the exact same time, you're gonna miss out. That's all I gotta say.